Hello guys, this is Vysh. So we have reached again one more milestone. So whenever we reach a milestone, we give away one free test. So 45,000 subscribers, you're gonna get one free test. So I'll tell you how to get it. You just have to email me and I'll immediately give you. So there are many reasons we do that. One thing is because, as I told, we reach a milestone, we want to give away something. Another reason, many students are there who keeps asking us for samples, and then they'll have to pay something for that. They have to search for the MCQ sample. So in this way, if you see the test in original format, then you no need to worry about that. You can see the quality for yourself. And it has happened like in 9 out of 10 times. Whenever student sees at least one of our tests, immediately they come and join the full course. It has happened since the last 2.5 years. So hopefully that will again continue, and that is good for mutual growth. You will study and we will also grow. So to tell some details, we'll be giving you the 2020 and 21 open courses entire details in a summary format here, because already 4 to 5 videos are out explaining everything. So every UPSC aspirant watching this, I want to tell you that there is no secret to success. Okay, it is just a result of hard work, preparation, and learning from failure. Okay, and also learning to accept failure, because many students cannot accept failure. They just feel like this is my one attempt. In this one attempt I'll surely clear. If I don't clear, like I am totally shattered. Please don't do that. Continue the hard work, keep doing it. It's just a matter of time. Everybody who is serious, who have studied all these subjects which is given to you in a disciplined format, they are going to clear one day or the other. Okay, it's just a matter of time, as I told. So keep working hard. Now about the free test, 2020 aspirant who are not enrolled to any of our tests till date, you can get this free test because you have not seen anything. Who are already enrolled, you need not get this, because that test is one of the tests in your package only. Okay, so you are not going to get anything extra. But instead, when you clear the prelims, okay, not even like mains or interview, the prelims itself, when you clear, you will get a huge cash prize, okay, that we give away every year. But we don't disclose that, okay, because many students don't like that until they clear all stages. So they don't like giving out their name and all at that point of time. So we don't do that. But you can inform us and you will be getting that cash prize. And if you don't clear prelims, unfortunately, if you have to join the next year test series, which we always make bigger and bigger every year, you can join that, but you will be given a considerable discount, okay, which will be kind of equal to the cash price which we give to the people who clear the prelims. And 2021 aspirant, again, if you want to see a sample now, because the biggest test series in India, we have launched it 2 days back, and the enrollments are huge. Okay, we are going to stop it also because the count has gone too much. So one free test for you also, because you can see a sample and then decide if you want to. And then if you are enrolled, then the process is same. Okay, so that is how it works, the free test. And thank you so much for the comments, because the number of comments have been increasing since the last 2 months. I can tell the last 2 months has been tremendous growth for Vysh IAS. The students are interacting more. We are getting more popularity even without any much advertisement. Okay, the only thing we do is we post it on our Facebook or Instagram. We don't do any other publicity. Okay, and when you come to our WhatsApp, we give you the links of every video. That's the only thing which we do. And with that, if you take into consideration, it's a huge growth. So thank you so much for all the comments, and we keep getting the same kind of good comments. That is like, we give genuine advice. We are doing the selfless effort, inspiring the people who even thought like UPSC is not possible for them. They are coming and joining the test series and are improving tremendously. So that is a huge win for us. We are able to help some students who are sitting in this part, in whichever part of the country. They are coming to us and joining us. So every comment, okay, it means a lot to us. And one good thing which we noticed is nowadays the comments which students put are again being liked by another 6-7 students. So that means they are also agreeing to what the students are telling. So you can go and watch any recent 10 videos. Everywhere the comments are like overflowing and students are giving excellent feedback. Okay, so you can see that, so how much we are growing now. Now about the enrollment, 2020 we had extended it because the prelims got shifted, the test series. We launched a 100-day course. Okay, this is the 100-day course explaining the timetable. The full video is explaining the complete thing. You can watch it. And this is for 2020. Okay, and then the test, the actual test, you can see a walkthrough here. Okay, I think 5 or 6 tests I'm opening and showing it here, showing the detailed quality of it. Okay, with this you can which starts from scratch, and within 100 days you can complete the entire syllabus. Now mains test series 2020, the full batch was already complete. We are doing the mini test series now. Okay, because we got this extra 4 months, 2 months of mini test series, July, August, 9 weekends, 9 tests. Okay, around 82 questions of every paper you will write, and I will evaluate and give it back to you. That I told that time itself only 25 students will be taken. I think the count as of today morning is 22 or 23. Okay, so 2 more or 3 more students we can take. More than that I will not be able to correct it for you. That is the only reason I have to close this batch. So if you need details of this, even the brochure PDF or how the schedule is, everything you will get it when you email me, okay, simply email me. I'll show you the email address again in one point of time in this video. So this is the 2020 courses, and these are the prices for it. Okay, so this is the 2021 we have made a very big course, that is a 365-day timetable is done for you, and that is much appreciated. I think the most of the comments which I showed you in the previous slide are below these videos only, 2021 videos. So it's a huge timetable. I'm showing you entire thing from this June to next June, each day, each hour, what you should study. So you can go and see that. And the Excel sheet of that, okay, soft copy will be given to everyone who comes and joins to our test series, whether it's prelims only or mains only or combo, whatever you buy, you will get that Excel sheet. Okay, so you can watch the video and learn anyway. Then the test of that, okay, the sample test of that, the pricing of that, everything, discount, installment, everything is shown in this particular video. So these two videos are uploaded 2 days back, and it's getting huge response. Okay, this is, I think, the biggest enrollment ever in the last 3 years which we have got. Obviously, maybe it is because of the huge success we got in the last year's test series, in last year's UPSC exam also. Many questions came from our test series. So this, whatever is you in bracket, is the original price, but because we gave such a huge discount, the response have been overwhelming. Many people are coming and enrolling to the prelims and mains combo, because that is how you do the test studies. That when you see this video, you will understand why people are buying that package, especially because this is designed to make you study every subject of prelims and mains in 365 days. So it's a huge time, so you can easily study everything with 2-3 revisions. Okay, so watch these 2 videos, then only decide, because we don't want anybody or non-serious people, we don't want, because we want success result. So we need only the best aspirants who will sit, study day and night. Okay, if you are very lazy and simply buying our materials and keep it aside, I don't want that students to come and join. So only the best students come and WhatsApp or email, both are fine. You will get the PDF of how the details look like. Now to get the free test, okay, as I told, this 100-day timetable, this is the 2 main programs which we have, and you have to email to this ID. You have to email, like 2 emails I need from you. One is to get the free test, okay, simply with the subject free test 45K, meaning if you send this, immediately you will get the latest maybe current affair test. I'll give you the April 2020 current affair, which is the latest test which is out now. That will be given to you, okay. And then if you are a 2020 student, you can send one more email with this subject, or 2021 this subject. So whichever you send, the PDF, brochures, everything related to that I'll give you. Then you can see that videos also, and then you will understand, like, whether I should join, whether it is worth it, whether actually Vysh can help me. Okay, so send 2 emails. One is for free test and one according to which batch you are. Okay, so based on that you will get both the things, one free test and one set of brochures. Okay, both prelims and mains you will get when you, whichever year you come and ask me. Okay, so I hope it's clear, because when I tell this much detail also, still students come and ask, like, I did not understand the procedure, I don't understand what to do. This is clear, I guess. Okay, just send me 2 emails. Now, as I told, I'm trying to build a huge community of serious UPSC aspirants. So I cannot do it alone. You have to support. You have to come and subscribe. Okay, unless you don't subscribe, I cannot do anything. So success doesn't come to you. Okay, you have to go to it. You sit at home and you think, like, I will research, maybe last minute I'll make some notes, I'll talk to some toppers, and maybe everything will come to you. Nothing is going to come. Okay, you have to go out, you have to do that research, you have to sit and Google. Like, even in our timetable, the first 10-12 days we have given for that also. Sit and research, do Google, do notification walkthrough, decide your optional. Everything is made like we are forcing you to do. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, I'll make you write MCQs, learn MCQ, make you write mains answers. Everything will be made to be done in the 1 year. Okay, for 2021 batch, that much detailed is the course. So when others are wasting the time, okay, like now this lockdown situation also, I hear most of the students, I have them on my WhatsApp, so their status will be like very boring days, nothing to do. These are all UPSC aspirants and these are their statuses, so you can understand that they're wasting their days. So I would like to tell you that when everybody are wasting the days, you take this golden opportunity. Okay, 2021, you have a huge timeline in front of you. So if you make use of all this months when you're sitting at home doing nothing else, this extra studies which you do will gain you 20-30 marks both in prelims and mains. So please make use of this. Okay, when everybody are lazing out, you have to live for your dream. Okay. And one more thing, I'll show you one sample also, the free test which you're going to get before you even mail me. This is the April, this is the economic survey. April, I'll show you. This is the April current affair PDF. Our test is, every test will look like this. Okay, there will be a question PDF and an answer PDF. This is the answer PDF, how it will look like. So it has a 100 MCQs and then it has notes also. Okay, notes on different things which are needed for UPSC prelims and mains. It's all hyperlink. It will take you from one point to another. So when you click there on the index, it will take you here, and then you can see the question, detailed answer, and if a news article is related to it, we'll give you a news article link also at the bottom. Okay, here if you click on this news hyperlink which you see, It will take you to the Hindu or Indian Express or from wherever we took it. So it's like double, triple reading. Okay, so like that way, this is a very detailed PDF. See, 150 pages on April month. April month was very lengthy actually, because usually our test is around 80 to 90 pages. But March and April, because of this COVID situation, many things are in news. So that is why this is a lengthy test. Okay, and if you go to the bottom, as I told, or maybe I'll go from the index. This is the index. From here, click on this extra snippets. When you click on it, it will go to after the 100th MCQ. This is the notes. Okay, on page number 87. So 87 pages, you have finished your this thing. You have finished your 100 MCQs. After that, it is 60-70 pages of notes. Okay, and it will cover every topic like defense, space, science, medicine, health, whatever you can imagine, everything. And this is common for every current affair magazine. Every 12 month which you get, every month will have this thing. Okay, so whoever enrolls for the full test series, you can. This is what I can tell for you. This is how it will look like. And at the end, maybe sometimes the charts and extra figures will be there, but mostly it won't be necessary. It will end with some this thing only, notes. Okay, as I told, this is the last side heading. Okay, and from here again you can go to back to table of contents. So like that you can keep navigating. It's a very interactive one which we have made, and this will be the common thing for 2020 and 21 batches in the upcoming test. Okay, all the new test is designed this way. Earlier it was not like that. We did not have this much interactions. Now we made it like this. And economic survey, why I wanted to show you is because this is the best seller of this year. This is, we got enrollments more than what expected, and as I told, 9 out of 10 people who have seen this test have bought the full test series. Okay, because they understand the quality, question, answer, figures, diagrams, news links, and at the end all the important economic survey charts and graphs, everything is here. Okay, so this thing, if you do 140 pages, you don't have to read that 700 page economic survey. Almost 99% of what is needed for the exam sake is covered in here. Okay, and it's detailed. It's not only for prelims, it's for mains also. That's why I asked everyone to come and buy this. So this is not free test. This you have to come and buy, because I cannot, if I give it free, the others who bought it with a price, they will feel bad. So it's just 129 rupees for this economic survey. You can WhatsApp me, you can get it. But this April thing which I showed you, this is free. Okay, I'll give it to you immediately when you come and message or mail. Actually mail as per the subject I've given you. So hope it is clear. So this is what I wanted to show you. You now just have to come and subscribe to the channel and email me. Okay, so I'll wind up this video. Thank you again for 45,000 subscribers. Enjoy and have a nice day.